Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make bread using whole ingredients. For my dry ingredients, I will use 1¼ cup of almonds. I'm going to use a food processor to grind them. As you can see guys, I'm putting these almonds into a food processor, grinding them until I get a flour-like consistency. I will then transfer it into a bowl and set it aside. Once you grind your almonds, it should look exactly like this guys. I have 1 cup of pecans and 1 cup of walnuts as well that also needs to be ground. Just make sure that you don't overgrind these nuts, because if you do, they will turn into butter. So follow the process that I'm sharing here. My other dry ingredient is 1/2 cup of flaxseeds. I will grind them and set them aside as well. Ground flaxseed works as our binder for our bread. Remember, I do not use artificial bread binders or gums here. I use whole foods. Next, in a separate bowl, I will mix my wet ingredients. I will start by mashing 3 bananas, adding 3 large eggs, and then adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I will whisk everything together until completely combined. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and mix together again. I'm now adding a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon combined together, and then adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mixing again. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of chopped dates as my sweetener. This bread is perfect for those who want to cut sugar but are still craving something sweet. It's rich in fiber and nutrients. It's now time to add our dry ingredients, those nuts that we already ground. I will start by adding walnuts, pecans, almonds, and then flax seeds. Mix everything well so that everything is combined. Use a spatula for a good mix. The last thing that I'm going to add is 1 cup of carrots, and then combine until everything is smooth and nice. Now I'm going to shape my dough with my hands and put it in a greased pan. I'm also going to place pecans on top of my bread as my topping. Now bake at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. Okay guys, the bread is ready. The moment of truth has come. Let's slice it together. Look at that guys. You can have it as your dessert or for breakfast. Thank you all for watching and supporting this channel. I really appreciate it. Bye bye.